Hello folks, in this video we will gonna learn how to collect data from CompuStat. If you don't know about CompuStat, CompuStat is a comprehensive financial database for all US and a lot of non-US companies. Okay, so to collect CompuStat data, you need to first log into your WRDS database. So in our previous video, if you did not see the video, you can find in my channel. In our previous video, we learned how to get access in WRDS from your library. So now in this video, we're gonna learn how to collect data from WRDS, especially CompuStat database. So let's go to our WRDS. So this is the WRDS interface or WRDS database access. So you need to first log into your WRDS database. Now, if you see in the home menu, there are a lot of databases here, right? So we're going to learn how to collect data from CompuStat. So click CompuStat. So CompuStat has a varieties of database like North American data, global data, bank data, and so on. So all the data collections are almost same. So I will gonna actually concentrate on North American database. So let's go to the North American database. So here in North American database, there are a lot of other database as well. So we're gonna learn how to collect financial data from CompuStat. Okay. So to collect financial annual data from CompuStat, you need to click Fundamentals Annual. After clicking Fundamental Annuals, here is the data range or date range. So you need to customize your date range, whatever you want to the earliest date you can go until 1950. Okay. And the latest is 2026-01. So here is the company identifier. So you can collect data by company ticker symbol. So if you don't know about ticker, so every company has their unique ticker to actually represents the company. Like Microsoft's ticker symbol is MSFT, Google is ZOOZL, then Amazon is AMZN. Likewise, okay, so you need to know which companies you want to collect data and what's is ticker symbol. For example, you want to collect the data of Amazon. So this is the Amazon ticker symbol. So look, ticker is Amazon. So AMZN. So now you can add as more ticker as you want to. For example, I want to add like Google. So this is Alphabet Google. I also want to add NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA, as many as you want to. So now, so these are the preferences. What are the consolidation label, industry format? Is it an industry or financial companies? Data format, currency. Are you only considering USD or also Canadian company? Company status, are you looking for active company or inactive company? For the sake of simplicity, let's actually keep it as it is. Okay, and these are the variable that you can collect data. So there are almost 974 various financial data. For example, total asset, current asset, and so on. All the income statement and balance sheet information you can get here. Okay. For example, total, you can search the name of the variables like total assets total. Okay. then you can see like you can collect data like inventory. So this is inventory. Let's see INV inventory. I know that inventory is INVN, right? No, inventory. Okay, let's say inventories. Listen, INVT. So INVT. So and so on. So you can collect as many variables as you want to, just searching the variable name, or you can search manually one by one which variable you want to collect. Okay. So now after including all of your desired variable here, you can actually command what format do you want. Like, do you need a CSV file, Excel file, TXT file, or SAS file, Stata file, and so on. Okay. So based on your preference, you will just click one of them. So for the sake of simplicity, CSV is the most convenient data file. You can actually convert CSV file to any file like a Stata file and SAS file. So this is why I am actually selecting CSV file. Now, if you submit this query, look, your query has been submitted and your data has been downloaded. Look, your data has been downloaded. So if you see that, if you want to see the data, look, this is the data you are you have asked to the WRDS. So we have collected Amazon, Google, NVIDIA from 2010 to 2016, 2026, and so on, right? All right. So this is how you can collect data from WRDS CompuStat. For example, you need a lot of ticker symbol. So how do you actually not include all the ticker symbol here, rather browse your desired ticker symbol? Okay. First, you need to create a ticker symbol list that you want to collect. For example, these are my desired ticker symbol: Microsoft, Google, Amazon, NVIDIA, Meta, Micron. So these are the company I am looking for. So you can add as many companies as you want, but remember the ticker symbol has to be in each of the line. Okay, you cannot make the file making like Microsoft comma Google comma Amazon, like not like that way. Just each of the line one ticker symbol. Okay, so now let's input this let's import this file. So this file name is ticker. So ticker, and my date is, for example, I have chosen 2010 to 2026. Same, I did not change this. I did not change my variable query. You can change your variable query, whatever you need. You can change the output method or output format. Now submit. Same, submit. So you will gonna get a new query and your data is already ready to be downloaded. So if you see the downloaded data, so look, all the data that I actually listed in the ticker file in the notebook, like this notebook, sorry, not that book. I think so. The ticker notebook, right? So the ticker notebook. So you will gonna get all the data here. Okay. So these are the basic CompuStat database query, fundamental annual data. So if you go to the North American database again, you can also get quarterly data. you can get security daily data, security monthly, that means stock price daily data, stock price monthly data, and so on. Okay. So now I want to show you another thing, very actually important for CompuStat, which is called actually this one. Let me show you. Just bear with me. So there are bank data as well. Okay, so bank data. So if you want to collect global companies data, for example, you want to collect Brazilian companies data. Okay, so you need to go global, not North American database. Okay, so now you can see, uh, for example, fundamental fundamental annual. Let's go to the fundamental annual again. So this we already learned, our fundamental annual. In the CompuStat, if I go to CompuStat again, so in the CompuStat, you can collect complete financial statement by just clicking only one click. Okay, so if you go to the CompuStat Capital IQ from the home, CompuStat Capital IQ, then go to the tools, and you want to collect complete financial statement. For example, you want to collect the complete financial statement of Amazon from 2010 to 2026. Then you just include your desired ticker symbol. Now just submit the form. You're going to find a very useful database that you can use for your finance class and accounting classes. Okay, let's say what data you want you get. Look, this is the complete financial statement of Amazon from 2010 to 2024. To 2025 and 2026 data is not yet available. So this is until 2024. Okay. So look, all the financial, this is the balance sheet. This is income statement. This is earnings. This is cash flow statement. So all the statement you can just get from just clicking one click in CompuStat. This is one of the actually most utility database that you can use for your any project for your finance and accounting class. Okay, so if you go to the CompuStat again, I'm showing you one more time. CompuStat tools, complete financial statement. Go to the complete financial statement. Then include your ticker here, Amazon. Okay. Then this is our desired, for example, you want to collect data from 2010 to 2026. You can customize this data range. Okay. Then just submit. You're gonna get all the data or financial statement year by year in one file, one Excel file. Okay. So this is all about CompuStat, not all about CompuStat, a majority about CompuStat. You can also get more knowledge if you explore the database a lot. So if you have any question, you can ask me, you can email me about the database and so on. So uh, in the next video, we can learn how to collect data from CRISP. Okay. Until then, thank you very much for watching this video.